Riley, can you color your picture? Yep. What color is that? Yeah. Dylan, what color do you have? Dylan, where's your hammer?
I got this.
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Colin, what are you coloring? The hammer?
Yep.
Oh, what's the hammer's name? Do you remember?
Nope.
Pat? Yep. Dylan, what color do you have?
I got
What
brown.
color is that?
I got brown.
You got brown?
Oh, green.
You got a green one. Are you coloring his hat?
Yeah.
Make it nice. What are you coloring, Sam? Riley's coloring nicely too. What color is that, Sam? Caleb?
Orange. It's not orange.
That's blue.
Yeah, look at my color face. Okay.
Let me see.
There, Mama.
Oh, good job, Colin.
A crazy hat.
Okay, everybody say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you later. Smile. Everybody smile. Everybody make goofy face.
Goofy face. Goofy face.
Dylan, make a goofy face. Dylan.
Make a goofy face.
Okay, Riley, make goofy face.
I didn't make goofy face.
Riley's making a box.